Hi there again everyone, Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have another repurpose DIY. Actually, what I'm just going to do here is changing the flowers for the season. So I'm changing it from spring to fall. So this has been up since springtime and it's now summertime, but I'm ready for fall. But since a lot of you have been saying that whenever I'm doing this, you want to see also parts of how I built the original structure, so I'm going to be going ahead and showing you a shortcut of that original video. But if you want to watch how I did it, the full-length video, I'm going to be linking it in an upper right hand corner as an iCard or in the description box below. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and prepare these two containers and paint both of them using my chalk paint, and this is in the color chalk, a matte finish. And I got this, it's by Waverly. I got this at Walmart. What I like about the farmhouse style, you don't have to be too perfect when you're painting or doing your finishes, but of course when it comes to painting you have to do it in one direction, so I'm just doing it this way. And using a fine grit sandpaper that I also got at Dollar Tree, I am scraping off some of the paint, just kind of giving it a distressed finish. Actually, I was unable to film when I was doing this because for some reason my camera stopped working, but I'm just showing you how I did it. I put emphasis on the words flowers and garden. That's where I scraped most of the paint, but I did it lightly, not too much, because I still want the paint to show, but also the words to show. And it looks like it's distressed or weathered look right now. Next, I'm using this wooden rolling pin that I also got at Dollar Tree, and I'm applying a generous amount of hot glue at the bottom part so that I can connect it to the inside center part of this container. I highly recommend using a stronger hold or stronger bond glue like E6000. Dollar Tree sells Fix All because you wouldn't want this to get disconnected. And then I'm going to be eyeballing and putting the top container. I will be using Oasis, this florist foam that they sell at Dollar Tree. They come two in a pack. And I'm placing the remainder of the florist foam on the top container. I am going to be using some of the flowers that I have on hand already. These ones are from 99 cents only store, and then these ones are from Dollar Tree. Next, since I think that the top container is a little plain, I have this wall decal, and I'm just going to use the top design there that has some leaves and a pot with 3 hearts. So I'm just going to use the top part, and then I'm going to be adhering it onto the front of this top container so that it doesn't look too plain. And then I am going to go ahead and do a dry brush technique to give it a weathered look so that the black doesn't show as if it's too strong or too imposing. And here's the finished project. This is how it looks like from spring through summer. Now I'm going to be using these 3 ceramic pumpkins that I got at Dollar Tree as my inspiration to change the colors for fall. I'm removing the pink as well as the blush as well as the yellow colors that you have seen here earlier so that I can prepare this flower arrangement for fall. So both from the bottom part of this 2-tier centerpiece as well as the top. I will be keeping the purple or the lilac as well as the blue colors, and then I will be using them for this fall flower arrangement. I'm also leaving the leaves, the green foliages here, and then I'm going to be adding this green hydrangea. Since one of the pumpkins is green, I am going to be using this green hydrangea to match the green pumpkin, and then the purple and blue flowers to match the blue pumpkin. And then I will be adding some hydrangeas in the same color as the taupe or the champagne colored pumpkin. I'm going to be using this centerpiece to transition from summer to fall. So this is more like a pre-fall centerpiece, but I'm actually thinking of keeping this all throughout fall because I am going to be using non-traditional fall colors in my fall decorations. So I hope that I can achieve the color scheme that is predominant in our home, because I like blue, I like green, and light brown or taupe or neutral color like this one here. So I'm going to be cutting a few stems or flowers that are more fall in color. So this is more traditional, but it's not orange still, it's still neutral. And like I said, it really matches this one here. So I figured I have all the three colors of this pumpkin, and this is going to be our fall flower arrangement. So just a tip for you there, if you are kind of lost on how you are going to transition a flower arrangement that you have, and you are gravitating towards some colors that may not be deemed traditional fall colors, do what I'm doing here and just pick out your inspirations from the pumpkins. Okay, so for example, these pumpkins are kind of a little bit more modern, that Dollar Tree came out, and I like the combination of these three colors. So what I've done is I used them as my inspiration for my flower arrangement. So I picked out the flowers that will match or complement them. And so here is my finished floral centerpiece for fall. Again, I am swaying away from the traditional fall colors. So if this isn't your style, all you can do probably is just switch it to the traditional colors. If you are really more of a purist when it comes to the fall colors, you want the burnt orange, you want the red orange, or the burnt sienna and browns, go for it. But for me, actually, I want to try something new. It's okay to try something different. My home is predominantly in blue and turquoise and teal, so this one would really complement our color scheme in our home, especially in our formal living and dining room areas. But let's see what happens, as fall gets nearer, and then late fall, when things are drying up, the flowers and the leaves are falling off the trees. Let's see if this is still the mood that I'm going to be in, this brighter fall colors, or what I call the pre-fall colors. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I hope I was able to give you some tips and inspirations on how you can transform your spring or summer floral centerpieces and make them into early fall or pre-fall or fall centerpiece. Enjoy your day, everyone. Let me know what you think, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. I would really also appreciate it if you can give this video a like and share it to someone who you think may benefit from this tutorial or video, the tips that I have provided here. And I'll talk to you again on my next video. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.